Yeah, we're very satisfied with where things are at. We went within a whisker of a win against the Reds, and considering that they were the champions last year, that was an amazing effort. The first couple of games we suffered from a little bit of nerves and getting used to the pace and intensity. Then we had the Rebels victory, which was in a very difficult week. We had to change stadiums and the convoy of cars from Lake Ainsworth. So that was fantastic. A win under our belt, and the combination of everything has led to the team now having belief. They've got belief that they belong in this competition. They've got belief that they can win games, and they've got belief in themselves. I think one of the most satisfying things is the level of fitness. That Fijian teams have been renowned in the past for fading at the 60-minute mark, and we've been going right through. And in fact, last week the Reds were fading, and that's testament to the hard work that our boys have put in from the 1st of November at Lake Ainsworth to the skill of the coaching guys that have got them on proper eating, on losing weight, on getting more aerobic fitness and building strength. So we're very satisfied, but it's only 4 weeks in. We've got another 8 rounds. Our goal at the outset was to be in the top 8 of this competition, and currently we're sitting at 9th on the edge, and we haven't changed our view about the goal. We want to get some more wins, and we want to climb that ladder, and who knows how far we can go. Well, look, it's wonderful. I mean, CFL is a fantastic company with a incredible heritage. You've got some amazing radio stations, as well as Fiji Village and some other parts of your business. It's just great to partner up and to be able to communicate to the Fijian audience through your channels. We've got objectives of marketing our assets, of selling tickets, of merchandise, of just communicating news to our fans, and radio is a key vehicle for that. We hope along the way that we can give you some valuable content as well to communicate with your listeners. So it's a great partnership, and we're really looking forward to working closer together.
Thank you. Yeah. For us, excited to be part of this endeavour with the Swire Shipping Drua team. After the win against the Rebels, and last week coming in within grasp of another win with the Reds. I think the whole of Fiji has set up and taken notice of the Swire Shipping Drua team, and are ready to get behind it now. And so we're excited with this partnership. We're also thankful for you coming to us to help with with all the promotional activities.